Easy and keto cracked slaw recipe 10-minute low-carb meal. Ingredients: 1. 3 cloves of garlic, or more if you love garlic. 2. 1 small onion. 3. 2 to 3 green onions. 4. 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, freshly grated is even better. 5. 1 pound, 450 g, ground pork, or substitute with ground turkey or chicken. 6. 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil. 7. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 8. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 9. 1 tablespoon sriracha, adjust based on heat preference. 10. 4 to 5 cups shredded cabbage, green or purple, or a mix. 11. Toasted sesame seeds, for garnish. Optional, more sriracha for drizzling on top. Instructions: 1. Prep the aromatics. Start by finely mincing the garlic cloves. If you're a garlic lover, feel free to add more. Then dice the onion and separate the white and green parts of the green onions. You'll use both parts separately, so keep them handy. 2. Ginger prep. Grate around half a teaspoon of fresh ginger. If you're using ground ginger from a jar, that's fine too, but fresh ginger adds a great kick. No need to peel it unless you want to. 3. Cooking the aromatics. Heat 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the diced onion and the white part of the green onions. Let them cook until they start to soften. Toss in the minced garlic and ginger, and stir everything until fragrant. 4. Add the meat. Push the veggies to the side of the pan and add the ground pork, or your chosen meat. Use a spatula to break the meat apart as it cooks. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Make sure the meat is fully browned and cooked through before proceeding. 5. Time for the cabbage. Gradually add your shredded cabbage into the skillet. It might look like a lot, but cabbage shrinks down as it cooks. Keep stirring and tossing the cabbage with the meat and aromatics until it softens, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. 6. Seasoning the mix. Pour in the soy sauce and rice vinegar. Stir everything to make sure the flavors are well distributed. If you like a bit of heat, now's the time to add the tablespoon of sriracha. If you prefer milder flavors, you can reduce the amount or skip it altogether. 7. Finishing touches. Once the cabbage is tender and everything is nicely combined, it's time to plate your cracked slaw. Garnish with the green parts of the onions, toasted sesame seeds, and an optional drizzle of more sriracha if you like it spicy. 8. Serve and enjoy. Your cracked slaw is ready to serve. This dish works well on its own or as a side dish. It's also great for meal prep, as it reheats easily. Hope you enjoy this dish.
In your eyes, I find my place. A love so deep I can't erase.